Good morning, esteemed guests, distinguished speakers, honored members of the faculty and staff, graduates, ladies and gentlemen. A truly pleasant morning to each and every one of you. I am deeply honored and profoundly grateful to have been invited to share in this momentous occasion, a significant milestone in your lives. Today, I am not only congratulating you, the graduates, who have successfully completed your years of learning in elementary school, but I am also congratulating your proud parents and your dear teachers. For me, it is particularly special as some of these teachers were also my teachers in my elementary days. And I know they have been waiting for this very special elementary school graduation. Before I proceed with my speech, may I request you graduates to please stand together. Let us honor the people behind your success. So if you are able to see your parents and your teacher from there, look at their faces, wave a hand, and give your sweetest smile. And now, let us give a big round of applause for your dearest teachers and proud parents. You may now be seated. Today, we celebrate not only the completion of your elementary education, but also the beginning of an exciting new chapter as you transition into middle school. Throughout your journey, you have learned valuable lessons, not only from your textbooks, but also from your teachers and friends. The joy of learning and the importance of collaboration, this lesson will serve as a steady foundation as you continue your educational journey. Now let me ask you, graduates, are you ready to go out there and face life challenges? Ready ba ta? Ngay-face na to ang bago na challenges na moabot sa ato life, graduates? I know you have mixed emotions right now. Some of you are excited kay pa high school na, and some of you may be anxious. Pero normal na jud na bation na kay that is valid. After all, tao man kita. But take it easy. I know you are all going to be fine. Kay nag-agi pud ko inana. 12 years ago, I was just like you. Naglingkod pud ko diha sa inyong lingkuranan, along with my classmates at that time. I may have been young like you, but my heart was filled with joy, excitement, kakuiba ug kamingaw. Because I knew we would not be classmates anymore in high school, kay maglahi-lahi naman tag eskwelahan, or even sections, but it doesn't matter. What matters is that you have cherished your memories with your friends and teachers in elementary days. Mga memories na inyong ma-treasure like mine. Those memories still live in my heart and my mind. For that is one of my memories that I will treasure. Like sa una, tong elementary pa ko, sa Bonifacio Elementary School. I played a lot too. Magjagan-jagan. Mga tawa kaiba ng mga classmates. Even magkasamad tungod sa duwa. Those were just a peek at my memories here. To sum it up, those cherished moments you had in the school will also build you as you embark on a new chapter in your life. Just take it a milestone, graduates. This is a new step in your milestone, a new beginning after the graduation. Bago nga school, meet some new friends, bago ang environment nga mo build sa inyo para mahimo mong malapuson sa inyong journey. But never forget to be thankful and always pray for guidance kay Papa Jesus, kay He will help you throughout your journey like mine. Navigation Center and continue to struggle with the challenges in life, like with the school fees, academics, everything life could offer. The painful part was the struggle my mother and father was facing due to the fact na kamahal sa ako kurso. But that gave me the drive to strive harder. They are my fuel to continue and never kapuyon masikog mga jutabang ipapagad. Because as the Bible verse said in Isaiah 58:9, then you shall call, and the Lord will answer. You shall cry, and He will say, here I am. So graduates, always pray, and good luck on your coming new journey. Be kind and compassionate. Continue to shine and make a positive impact. You are the sailor on your voyage, navigating the seas of opportunity with courage and determination. Remember the lessons you've learned as your guiding stars, and let empathy be your compass